Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Reishi tea from dried mushrooms. First, gather your dried Reishi mushrooms and a suitable pot. Ensure your mushrooms are clean and free of any debris. You'll need about 10 to 30 grams of dried Reishi for a good batch. Using filtered water will also help achieve the best flavor for your tea. Now, let's prepare the Reishi. Break your dried Reishi mushrooms into smaller, manageable pieces. Place these pieces into a non-reactive pot, like stainless steel, and add water. A good ratio is 4 cups of water for every 10 grams of Reishi. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a low simmer. Cover the pot and let it gently simmer for at least 2 hours. During this time, the liquid will reduce by about 1/4, concentrating the beneficial compounds. This slow, steady simmer is crucial for extracting the full potency from the Reishi mushrooms. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat. Carefully strain the tea through a fine mesh sieve into a clean container, discarding the Reishi mushroom pieces. Allow the tea to cool completely before storing it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade Reishi tea warm or cold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.